before so Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I hope that you're doing great. And my first semester of high school just ended, and my second semester has started. And in my first semester of high school, I learned a bunch of stuff that I would like to share with all of you. As soon as I finished 8th grade, I was really scared to go into 9th grade, because in our school all our classes get shuffled. That means you might not have your friends in the class, and you might have a complete stranger class where you don't know anybody. And that's what I feared most initially. But then when we got our classes, all of my friends were in my class, which was like, because that is very rare, okay? And I was so happy. But then, like, there were a lot of new people that you obviously have to adjust with, right? But that's completely fine. Now I'll not divert myself much from the topic, and let's begin. So the first thing that I learned was that nobody cares about anybody. Yeah, it had to be out there, okay? If you think that everyone are looking at everything you're doing, like the way you're walking, the way you're dressing, the way you're speaking, the way you act, the way you're acting, then, my friend, nobody cares. They're not noticing you, they're just noticing themselves, okay? And if somebody does actually like get to you or try to bully you, that's their narrative of you, okay? That's not actually how you are. People tend to create narratives of other people to satisfy their own ego and to satisfy themselves. And there's another thing, right? So people keep like, some people talk to me like they think that I think that I'm better than them. Like, bro, no, I don't. Like, and then I actually thought about it. So these people tend to put you on a pedestal of themselves, okay? So they think that you are better than them. So then their mind does something that makes them believe that you also think that you are better than them, which is not the case most of the time. And then they start hating you, and it is hilarious. Like, yeah, if you think that you're gonna start a YouTube channel, a blog, write a book, or dance on the stage or anything, and you think that you are not good enough and that people will judge you, well, yeah, they will probably judge you, but that says nothing about you. That just says stuff about themselves. But then, let me tell you, nobody cares about you in high school. Everybody are so concerned about how they look, walk, talk, act, that they are not going to look at how you walk, talk, act, or what you do, unless and until they have nothing to do with their life and they are pathetic, okay? Basically, you should really not care about what other people say about you, because if you start reacting or caring about every single comment that a person makes about you, then you're gonna go crazy. Like, if I start paying attention, like when I started a YouTube channel, if I decided to think that yeah, every single hate comment I get will define me, and every single hate comment I get will be like it's very awful and it's so bad, and oh my god, I'm a huge failure and I should delete my channel, I should not do any of this, then I wouldn't be here in the first place. I mean, I'm nowhere right now. But no, the point is that if you don't start, if you limit yourself just because of what other people think of you, you will go nowhere in life. And suppose I want to dance and I am scared to dance in a public place where there are a lot of people, because I think that what if they think that I'm a bad dancer? Well, let them, because it doesn't matter unless and until you know your self-worth. You don't need anyone else to define you. And the thing is that in high school, a lot of people will fake their confidence by being loud as hell. Let me tell you, confidence is silent. Real confidence is silent, okay? And the people that are actually confident, the girls that are actually confident, don't consider themselves superior than others. They know that they're the it girl, but they also know that everybody else in the room is also the it girl. So they don't act superior than others. But people think that the confident girl, the girl who's achieving everything in her life, thinks that she's superior than others. That is not true, okay? People will be like, your nose is so fat, you are so fat, you are so ugly, why do you talk that way, why do you laugh so loud? It's usually something that other people have said to them about them. most of the time when people make comments about you, it usually reflects what they think about themselves. This is why you will never find a happy girl who loves herself and everything about herself make mean comments about people. Usually all the bullies are themselves pretty insecure or have gone through some bad shit, okay? And it's never your fault. I'm pretty sure that my point is pretty clear. Nobody cares about anybody in high school. Now, the second most important thing is how you make your friends. The 5 people that you surround yourself with define you, alright? So, you need to be very, very, very mindful about how you make your friends. You need to be very mindful and very demure, alright? You cannot be friends with people who hate themselves and are negative and project negative energy, because then you are going to consume that negative energy and that will limit you. My god, it will 101% limit you. If you have a friend, okay, let me give you an example. Okay, here is Grace, right? She is my friend. She's a very awesome girl. She has all the qualities that I would want my friend to have. She listens to all of my problems. She supports me in good and bad. I can trust her, and she is very supportive. But despite all of that, she is herself a very negative person. She projects very negative energy. She thinks very less of herself, and she hates herself, and she projects that energy, right? I mean, obviously, if you have negative energy, you will project it, right? And then I would not want her to be my friend, because just because someone has all the qualities that you desire in a friend doesn't mean that they are a good enough friend for you to surround yourself with. You need to be friends with people that inspire you, that motivate you, and that help you move closer to your goals, right? Okay, let me give you another example. So in 8th grade, not in 8th grade, in 8th grade I was friends with this girl, right? So she was a very nice friend. She had all the great qualities that a friend could have, but she was a very negative person, and it affected me a lot because I constantly felt guilty for her. I was constantly filled with this bubble of negativity whenever I was around her, and then I cut her off eventually, and then life went uphill. Okay, it was so good. I was the most positive person in the world. I was like a bubble of happiness, and it was awesome. Sorry for the change in camera angle. I had to go somewhere, but I hope that my point is clear. Be very mindful about your friends. Do whatever the hell you want. Don't let other people limit you. Nobody cares about nobody. And yeah, that's pretty much it. And honestly, the people who say that studying is uncool are going nowhere in life. You need to study. You need to get at least average marks to sustain in high school, and especially in India, you cannot pass 9th grade if you don't get above 40%. So you have to study, and studying is not everything. You also need to focus on your extracurriculars, because they are not like more important than studies, but they are equally as important as your studies. So you need to put them on a priority. You need to put yourself on a priority and not other people. It's okay to miss those parties. It's okay to miss some gatherings. It's okay to not be the person that other people want you to be. You don't have to be the person that other people want you to be. You have to be your own person. You have to be the person that you want yourself to be, right? You have to love yourself before you love others. You have to let yourself define you and nobody else, right? And you are worth it. You are worth everything. And you need to forget any type of shit that anybody else says about you, because that is not true, okay? That's it for today, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Bye bye.